up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to Herbs class in 5 more minutes of math. Today we're talking word problems. That's right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And no, I hear all of y'all out there right now talking about, oh no, word problems. And look, I get it. I totally understand. But I can't show you how to do all the types of word problems, but I'm going to show you how to do a couple of types of word problems at a time. All right? So today, these types of word problems we're talking about are word problems that have these types of words in them. Yeah, those types. Per, each, and money problems. We're going to do a little shopping today. All right? So a lot of people, I don't think, understand that word problems usually come in 2 steps. And let's talk about what those 2 steps are. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 steps. And step number 1 says right here, we're going to turn those words into equations. And those equations ain't going to have any numbers in them yet. All right? And so once we have an equation with some variables, then we'll put some numbers in. Step number 2. Step number 2, we're going to take the numbers out of the problem and insert them into our equation. Right? Enough talking, man. Let's get to doing, right? Let's go shopping. Bang, we're going shopping, and first thing on my shopping list is sneakers. Now, the thing about sneakers is sneakers can range. Some sneakers cost $40, $50. Some sneakers cost $300, $400, $100. So what if I don't know how much the sneakers cost? Could I still come up with an equation for the total amount of money I need if I wanted to go sneaker shopping? I bet I could. Let's talk about what that equation might look like. It would start out something like this, right? The total money I need, or the cost, would be, well, I need to know how much the sneakers cost, right? Let's say we don't know. Let's just give it a letter for now. Let's call it S. Yeah, so my sneakers cost S dollars per pair. And let's say I don't know how many pairs I want to buy. I might have a couple of dollars and I want to buy more than one pair. What if I wanted to buy multiple pairs? How could I figure out the total amount of money spent? What would I do with that? The S dollars per pair, and well, let's call this, let's say X is the number of pairs of sneakers I want to buy, right? Wouldn't I multiply those 2 things? If the sneakers cost $100 per pair and I buy 3 pairs, that's 100 times 3. But what if I don't know those numbers yet? It would look like this. Yeah, it would look just like that. The total amount of money I would be spending, or my total bill, my total cost, would be the price of 1 pair times how many pair I get. Yeah. And so the rest, these letters will be replaced by numbers depending on how much a sneaker costs, how much money I got to spend, or how many pairs I want to buy. Yeah, that information is given to you in a problem, and then you just plug it in there. Oh, you want to do some more shopping? Let's do some more shopping. Let's put something else up here. Okay, I'm not a huge gamer, but I know some of y'all are. So what if I wanted to add video games to my shopping list? Now, I got my sneakers in here. Can I just add on another thing for my video games? Well, yeah. Let's say video games cost V dollars. I don't know how much the video games cost. It varies, I'm sure. But let's say I wanted to buy a couple or maybe a multiple amount of video games. Yeah. How can I figure out what that extra cost is? Wouldn't I just add it on here? Yes, exactly right. So my total cost now has 2 parts. The money I would spend on sneakers plus the money I would spend on video games. Yeah. And so all of these numbers will be given to you in the problem and you would just plug them in where they go. Yeah. Let's try one. Part 2 of this video, we're going to put in some numbers here. Let's talk about it.